Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a project in Vita and choosing the correct aspect ratio for your platform. This matters for framing and export. Next, import your source clips from the camera roll or cloud, then quickly set rough in and out trims so you only keep useful footage. Once done, decide whether to use auto edit to get a fast cut or switch to manual timeline editing. Choose 24 or 30 frames per second, depending on cinematic or social delivery. Now assemble your sequence. Drag clips into the order you want and use split and ripple delete to tighten pacing. This controls the viewer's attention. Then add transitions and overlays sparingly and apply speed ramps where motion needs emphasis. Use keyframes to smooth changes. For look and consistency, apply a color preset and then fine-tune exposure, contrast, and saturation so every shot reads similarly. This improves continuity and professional pop. To finish, choose export settings that match your delivery. Resolution, bitrate, and codec. Preview the final render to catch glitches. If audio sounds off, adjust clip levels, add ducking under voice, or re-import a corrected track to keep clarity. If something goes wrong, exports fail, or the timeline misbehaves, clear Vita's cache, restart the app, and if needed, re-import the project JSON backup. These steps fix most corruption and save your work quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.